Okay, if you're finding that your knees were tight when we were getting up and off the floor, working on that, a couple of things I want you to do. So first one, we need to roll from the calf all the way behind the knee up into the hamstring. So pick yourself up and do one at a time. We're just trying to loosen up everything. So as I'm doing this, I'm going to start with my toe, my big toe, turned in. Get the side of the calf, the side of the inside of the knee, go all the way up. Now my toes are pointing towards the ceiling. And now I'm gonna go to the out side of it, okay? So spend a good up and back on all three areas, about 10 times, then get the other side. So I'm getting the inside. Get the middle. Whole calf, behind the knee, bottom part of the hamstring. And get the outside. And on the outside, I tend to do two sections. I'll do the lower part of the calf, then I go up behind the knee and the hamstring. Okay, then we're gonna go to the inside. So you wanna lay on the side, have the top knee go over the top of your roller. You're gonna roll the inside of your leg. So you roll forward like you're gonna go into a plank, pull it back. So you want to feel that that roller is hitting the inside of your leg. Get that about 10 times. Flip over, go to the other side. All right. Now we're gonna go to the IT band. IT band is essentially the seam of the pant leg on the outside of the leg, and it stems from the knee and goes all the way up to the hip. So you wanna put your foot flat on the floor, top leg comes over, you're gonna pull all the way back and then go forward. Let your foot drag on the floor. So essentially what we're doing is we're taking every avenue that goes into the knee area and we're loosening it, because that can pull over time. If something is tight, it can pull on your knee, and that pulling misaligns your knee itself, which can cause you pain or inflammation, all sorts of different things. Inflammation causes the tightness and the tension in the knee. So we're just starting with the basics of trying to get things to not pull on the knee so it can loosen up. All right, last one is your quads. So over the top, down to the knee, up towards your hip. Relax your legs. You don't want to hold tension as you're trying to release the tension. And then once you're done with that, if you find that the pocket that's in the back side of your knee, there's a little cushion pocket, if that feels like it is tight when you push on it, then you want to get a tennis ball and massage in there with it. So let it roll back and forth on the tennis ball and release it, or just dig around in there with your fingers and try to loosen things up. Just give it a little TLC and massage it, okay? And that'll loosen up the back side of the knee and everything around it, okay? All right, get it done.